How to get Airbnb refund after cancellation. If you've canceled the booking on Airbnb and want to know how to get your refund, the steps are easy to follow. Start by opening the Airbnb app on your phone and logging into your account. Tap on the trip section and choose the reservation you canceled. There you'll see all the details, including how much you're getting back based on the host's cancellation policy. Airbnb usually processes refunds automatically, and you can view the status by tapping payment details inside your booking. Depending on your payment method, it may take just a few days or sometimes up to 2 weeks for the refund to appear in your account. If the refund seems delayed or doesn't show up, you can go to the help section in the app to contact Airbnb support for assistance. It's also smart to review the host's cancellation policy before booking so you know exactly what kind of refund you receive if you need to cancel. This way, you'll always know what to expect and how quickly the money should return to your account. So that's all for this video. I hope this helps. Thank you.